This is an AutoCAD in 20 hours video on text. Check your YouTube settings and set them to HD if you can. To begin, come up here to the Layer Properties Manager, open up the Layer Properties Manager, and create a new layer. Let's call it text. You can give it a color if you want by clicking on the color column. But set it current, then close it. Now type ST, enter. That's for style. And the text style box will open up. Click New. Give your new style a name. I'm going to call it Style 6. OK. Pick a font. And of course, we're using City Blue, so let's pick that out. Leave it regular. Now you need to decide if you're going annotative or non-annotative. First, let's talk about non-annotative. You need to know what scale you're going to plot or print at before you can pick the height, because the height of your text here is going to be relative to the height you're going to print or plot at. If you need help with that, watch my video on scales. I'm going to enter 6 for 6 inches. I'm going to type Apply, set current, and close. Now I'm going to type MT, enter. I'm going to click in the screen, and I'm going to spread open this box and click again, and it will open up a text box and also the text formatting toolbar. On the toolbar, you'll see we have our style 6, we have the font we selected, the height we set. We've got some other settings that are common to word processing here. This is the most important one, the justification. You can pick how you want it to be justified. I'm going to use middle center. And let's try bold. And then just start typing like you would in any processing system. Hit enter to come down to the next level. And then just use your keyboard like you would with any other processing system. Now click OK. If you want to modify the text, double click on it, but you have to get it to highlight first. If you just click in the middle of it, it won't do anything. So get it to highlight, it kind of pixelates, then double click, and then you can edit it. But in order to edit it, you must select it, so you must scroll over it holding down the mouse button, and then you can change it. You can change the size. Type in a new size here. Let's try 9. Bold, unbold. I'm going to go back and set it to 6 again, and then OK. Now, if you're going to use the annotative, open up this style box again, create a new style. Let's call it Anno 2, for annotative 2. OK. And we'll leave the font the same for now. Pick annotative. And now we're going to put the actual size that we want the text to print out at. So let's go 1/8 of an inch and apply that. Set it current. Close it. Now we still need to know what scale we are going to print or plot at, because we must set it down here. If you get these little blue boxes showing up, just hit escape. In the annotative scale window, we'll pick 1/4 inch to the foot. Let's type mtext, enter. Open up a new dialog box, a new text box rather, and then just go ahead and type it again. And you can see here that comes out to be the same size. Once again, watch my video on scales if you need more information about this subject. If you want to rotate text, you can select it with a selection window and use the rotate button on your modified toolbar, just like you would rotate anything else. If you want to set the text to a 90-degree angle when you type it, then type mtext, enter. Then you want to click to begin the opening the text window, but not click again and read the command line. Now it gives you some options, and one of them is rotation. So you can type R, enter, and it asks you what the angle of the rotation is. So let's try 90, enter, and now we're going to click the other side of the box. Type your text in, and when you click OK, it will rotate it. So that should get you going using your text. Visit AutoCAD in20hours.com for a free trial of the course and lots more free material.